So in this video, we are discussing next another important lesson in 5th standard. So that is human rights. So in this class, we are discussing, so what is meant by human rights and what was the facilities or what was the powers, rights we are getting based on human rights, and how in ancient times peoples they dominated against humans. We can say class system or caste system, rich and poor. So this like of class. So on that based how the rich class or higher class peoples, how they dominated to poor peoples. And some of the human beings, they did not get any facilities. So what was the problems they have faced? And at present, so how we are giving equal rights to all the human beings. How we are considering all are equal. So these are the matters we are discussing in this video. So in the first one, we want to know about human rights. So human rights means this is protect of peoples in a different matters. This human rights helping to us to secure or to giving protect in a different types of forms. We can see in political matters or legal or social abuse. We can see sometimes we are not getting any facilities or any rights based on political matters, in administrative systems, or based on legal matters, that means based on justice. And we can see in our society also some of times we are not getting equal rights, equal status. So in that time of situations, so one of the important act or one of the important power giving equal rights to all the human beings, that is human rights. So if we have human rights, so if we get or in our country they're following by human rights, we can see the society also they're living or considering as a all are equal. So these like here they're saying, but we can see same based on this society. In human beings or in our human society, we can see there are different types of structures, there are different types of stages based on religion or race or gender or the nation. So on that based we can say our family background. So in that based we can see human rights is not same all the peoples. Based on religion, we are thinking our religion population are more, that means we only great. Or based on race, black and white peoples. So this like of domination. Or based on gender, male and female. And based on nation, so our country is not developed, but some of the countries are most developed country. That means they only the popularized country, or they only very rich countries. So this like of treatment, or we can say based on family background. So he came in this like a family background. We came very rich family background. So these like of status or these like of structures we can see in our society. In our society, we can see there are different types of stages we can see. So in that stage, we can see there are some of the discriminations based on religion. We are doing discrimination. Or gender, race, or family background, or based on nations, we are doing discrimination. And this like of structure, this like of practice did not came in recent days. We can see in ancient time onwards. In 19th century, in middle of 19th century, we can say one of the new evil practice practiced by in our world. So that is slavery. So this is one of the important problems we have faced in beginning stage or in middle stage of 19th century. Slavery means a practice of system owning a person as a slave. He want to do all the work till die. Till die, that person, they want to work as a low level work in that particular house or in that particular society. So these like of systems, and we are not giving any freedom or any rights. You should not go outside of in our society. So these like of features we can see in 19th century. So that only they called as a slavery. This one system we can see, and working conditions. So they already fixed. Male means they want to do these are the works. Female means they want to shoot in homes inside of the room. So these like, and child labors. On that time we could not see children they should learn or should get education. These like of conditions or act we cannot see in 19th century. So who are the poor or who are facing the poverty, so the families children they want to go as a worker, as a labor, that is we can call it as a child labors. So these like of problems we have faced. So and not only this one, we can see one of the important problems created in the middle 19th century, that is world wars. So this also created so much of effects in our society. So on that, based on this one, we can see, based on this one, world war, we can see, and child labors and conditions of working and slavery system. So in that based, our society become, not only our society, a world society became as a different stages, and they practiced based on class system. They fixed as a, their upper class, we are lower class, so that like, and the fixed rights also, only upper class peoples, they want to get all the facilities. So who are very poor in that particular society, for them there is no any rights or any powers, any facilities. So these like systems going on. So after that, when the world war is happened, there are so much of peoples, they lost their life in world war first and world war second. So in that time, there are so many peoples, they lost their life. So when they lost their life, who are left on that time in world war second, they all are demoralized, or they thought that we should not do this like of war, because of we all are human beings. So when they thought this, like we all are one, we all are equal, because of we all are human beings. So when they thought, so on that based, one of the new ideology came in our world practice, that is safeguard human rights. That means we all are one. There is no caste, there is no gender based on discrimination, there is no religion based on discrimination, based on nation or based on family background. No, we should not practice these are the matters, because of we all are one, we all are human beings. So this like of concept came in the period of after the world war, and today we can see, so on that based only we are living in our world. We are living, how we are living, we all are equal, we all are human beings. So on that based only concept only we are living. And so in that based only, United Nations of Organization, they established it by or declared by Human Rights, Declaration of Human Rights. Here they saying on December 10th, 1948, one of the institution, world level institution, that is UNO, United Nations of Organization, to protect a human rights. So in that purposefully, they declared by human rights on December 10, 1948. So on that years onwards, year by year, every year we are celebrating December 10 as a Human Rights Day in all over the world. In all over the world, December 10 we are celebrating as a World Human Rights Day, because of on that day only UNO they implemented by Declaration of Human Rights. Means we all are one, we all are equal. There is no discrimination, there is no based on caste, gender, religion or nation. So this like of there is no discrimination, we all are one, we all are human beings. So on that base they implemented by human rights on December 10, 1948. So on that day we are remembering every year December 10 as we are celebrating as a World Human Rights Day. And we want to know what was the guidelines or what was the conditions or what was the objective based UNO established by Declaration of Human Rights. That means we all are one, we all are equal. So this concept, how UN was spread in all over the world. So that only now we want to know. So here first one they given. So they say, so what was the main objectives of UNO or World Human Rights? So this one is what was the main objectives or programs. So first one here they say, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Who are they born in our earth or in our world? They are born as a free. So they have the rights, they can live in our earth, they have the equal rights and they have their own dignity, they have their own respect, they can maintain. And they have the rights, they can live in our earth, because of they are also human beings. Means we want to treat that like only. Who are they born in our earth? They all are one, they all are human beings. Should not dominate, should not discriminate against that particular person. No, we should not do. Because of each person also have their own respect or their own dignity. And they have rights. They have all also have their equal rights. They can live in our earth. So these like a concept or these like a programs implemented by human rights. UN declared by in all over the world. And second one here they are saying, no distinctions shall be made on based on country or territory to which a person belongs. So here they say, here saying, who are the peoples they living in a world or in a country, there is no difference. So you're living in England or any person, there are some of them they're living in India, they're both also different because of we are England, they are Indians. No, that like not there. Anyone, here they're saying, based on country, we should not divide the peoples. They are Indians, we are Englands, or they are Chinese, we are Americans, or we are UK, sorry, we are France, we are Germans, we are Germans. No, we should not differentiate the peoples, group of peoples, because of we all are human beings. That only concept we want to should follow. And there are black peoples, we are white peoples. No, we all are human beings. We should not do difference, or we should not make a groups. So these like a concept also introduced by UNO. And next one here they saying everyone has right life, liberty and security. And we have the rights. Human beings all also they have the rights. They can live and they have the freedom and they have the security. We want to protect them because of they also are like only human beings. They also have two legs, two hands. So why we want to dominate that peoples? So we all are we all are equal. So these only the programs implemented by UNO. And no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. So here they saying we want to, here they saying here who are the peoples? They all are equal. Why we want to consider some of the peoples as a slavery? No. Here there is no slavery practice. We should not practice slavery. We should not surrender to some other peoples or a state. No, we should not do because of we all are one. There is no state-wise discrimination should not follow it. So we are Karnataka, some other state Maharashtra, so we only strong, not Maharashtra. No, we should not practice this one. We all are one. So that only they are saying. And no one shall be subjected to torture or the cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment or punishment. Here is saying, and we should not torture any one person, or we should not treat as a inhuman beings. They are not animals. They also are like only human beings. So why we want to treat like a inhuman types? No, and should not torture them. And they say and should not degrade, should not see as a low level position. No, we all are human beings, rich or poor. We are also human beings, no? Why we want to treat that like who are rich people? They also have two legs, two hands, and who are poor people? They also have same physical structure. So why we want to dominate or why we want to degrade them? So that we are rich, they are poor. No, that like we should not do, and we should not do who are the poor or who are low class. We should not punish them. No, because they also are like only human beings. So why we want to do, should not do. So that like they say. And next one, all are equal before under the law. And here there is no based on religion, or there is no based on political matters, or based on leaders, should not give any excuse. If any person, if they did any punishment, we want to give equal judgment. Means all are equal under the law. If Prime Minister did mistake, we want to give same punishment. If common person, if they did any mistake, we want to give same punishment. Or if any rich person, if they did same mistakes, we want to give same punishment. That means all also below under the law. So that only they are saying. And no one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention and exile. So here is saying if police department should not arrest any one person simply, there is no any reasons, without reason they are arresting. No, that like should not do. Yeah, that only they are saying. We want to do all the things. See, they are saying, and forcefully we should not stay in a place. We should not say someone, oh, you want to stay here only, I will lock your door, you want to stay here only. No, should not do that like. And next one they say exile. If we should not say anything also, we should not borrow from any native countries as choice as a compulsory. We should not say you want to take loans, you want to take money, this one you want to take. No, we should not force it any person. And next one here they saying that like only, and we have the chance, we have the rights. Which one is suitable, that one we can take. There is no forcefully, any one person should not say anything also. And should not keep for any one human beings in to keep in room and should lock that, like should not practice it. Here is saying this only human rights are UNO. They said already we all are one. We all also have the same rights or same equality. So why we want to dominate or why we want to interfere the decisions of others? No, should not interfere. They have their rights. They have equal rights. They can say their own opinion. We want to leave. So that they say. And everyone has the right to freedom to movement and residence within the border of each state. And next one is saying we have the freedom. We can travel anywhere. Oh, we are Indians or we are here Karnataka. We want to travel only in the state of Karnataka. No, there is no rules. We have the rights. Because we all are equal. So on that basis we can travel in any place or anywhere. Should not ask anyone. So why you are going there? Why you live there? No. But we can live or we can build our shelter facility within our border. Government, they are providing all the facilities. There is no any person should not ask any question. Why you built here your shelter? So no, that like should not ask the question. Because we have rights. Government they provided. So on that basis we can live. And next one here is saying everyone has the right to a nationality. And we have the nationality. There is no any religion based on nation. No, in India, this is a secularism nation. That means we want to give equal rights for all the religion. So I am a Christian. We want to say as the nationality is ours. No. This is India. There is no religion based discrimination or religion based nationality. And all are here equal. So that like we want to say. And next one here is saying everyone has the right to freedom and opinion and expression. And we have the freedom, we have the rights. We can say our opinion and we can express our feelings also. Anyone should not dominate what you are saying. So why you are expressing your feeling or why you said your opinion? No, should not say. We have rights. We can say our own thoughts, our own opinion. We can share it to others. We have the rights. So these like human rights or Human Rights Commission or UNO, they securing by human beings. They say we all are equal, should not dominate. In our class or in our society also, in our environment also, we should not dominate any others because of we all are one. We should not say, oh, they are girls, they want to should do this only work. No, we should not say that like because of we all are human beings. Why we want to devise the work? No. Also they have the rights. They can do their own work and they can say their own opinion. And they can live and they can travel anywhere, and we should not control any one person because of they have rights, they can live, they have the freedom. So this only said by our UNO in Declaration of Human Rights. And in that base we can see our UNO established by one of the new commission, that is here they given International Human Rights Commission. And another one we can see another one Amnesty International, and another one we can see National Human Rights Commission. So why they established this like of commission? Because they want to protect the human rights. If they simply they said they written in books, so people they are following? No. If they have commission, if they did anything, they did mistakes against the human rights, they are giving punishment. So on that purpose only we are established by UN established by there are different types of commission in international level or in our national level also. So in that only now we are discussing one by one. So first one here is saying United Nations Commissions on Human Rights. So here they say in 1946 here is saying UN established by Commission of Human Rights. So why they established it? Already I told, because of want to protect a human rights. That means we all are one. There is no discrimination. So on that based on we want to live. So in that purpose only in 1946 UN established by Commission of Human Rights. And here is saying, so when they established it, here is saying in beginning, here is saying 53 members they become members in beginning stage in 1946. 53 members they become members, and year by year annually they conducting meeting or assembly in the place of Geneva. In Geneva, in that place, they conducting meeting and they discussing about the various problems about the human rights. What are the problems are there in the world, or how the people they treating to human beings, are people they following these are the conditions what we implemented, that objectives of programs, we all are one, we have the freedom, there is no torture, there is no discrimination. So these type of rights they are following or not. So in that about only they conducting meeting every year in and the place of Geneva. So after that in 2006 the Commission of United Nations Commission of Human Rights, this one replaced as a United Nations Human Rights Council. After that this same commission, the Commission of Human Rights, this one changed or replaced as a name the United Nations Human Rights Council. So here totally 47 members they took as a membership. So next one we want to know Amnesty International. So what is meant Amnesty International? Where we can see here not only the UN, some non-governmental institutions also they conducting are they helping to world, are they helping to peoples, we all are one, or we want to should not abuse or should not develop or encourage against the human rights. No, we should not do it. So in that purpose only some non-governmental institutions also they took leadership and they started to give an education to common peoples. That is, we all are one. Should not abuse any law against the human rights, because of we all are one. We all are human beings. So in that concept currently established by Amnesty International. And here is saying, and not only this one, if any violations is going on in the world, so on that time these like of non-governmental institutions they took steps and they took some of the measurements. If in our society or in our environment, if any one person is dominating against any other human beings, if they knowing by non-governmental institutions, they are taking some of the steps or some of the measurements and they stopping the violation. And they giving complaints to police department, and after that this one going to court. After the court they will give punishment who are exploiting the human rights. So that's why they have the act, or government also they implemented by act. So in that purpose we should not follow against the human rights. We all are one. Should not say we all are high class, we are rich class, no, we are poor class. No, should not different it. Or we cannot say they are that religion, we are this one great religion. No, we should not say that like or based on caste or gender. We should not dominate, or we should not control any other peoples, because of some of the institutions they are watching. So if you are doing this like only work, so they are taking some of the actions and they are giving punishment also. And this International Council of Amnesty International, this one international institutions or International Human Rights Commission, here we can see some of the representatives for many countries. We can see some of the other countries also they established it by their own branch. So in that branch always they are observing the society. So if anybody they are doing illegal works, they are seeing and they are giving to complaint to police station. After that is one going to court, and court finally they are giving judgment to that particular person. So they are giving serious punishments. So in that purpose we should not follow it. So this is some of the institutions they are watching to our environment or our society. And next one in our nation level also we can see here is saying National Human Rights Commission. In our nation level, in our country level we can see one of the important human rights commission. This NHRC established in the year of 1993. So why we established this one NHRC, that means National Human Rights Commission? Because of to protect a human rights. In India also some of the peoples they practiced domination based on gender or based on religion or based on caste dominations we can see in our society. So we want to protect, we want to stop. So in that purpose only we started by NHRC. And here chairperson and members of the commission, so both also appointing by President of India. Who are the president at that time? They only appointing the head of the commission and members of the commission, both also. And what was the work doing by NHRC? Here is saying this one creating awareness, means they providing education to peoples how we want to develop or how we want to protect our human rights. And they giving education and they conducting some of the programs, and if they violated the rights or they against the human rights, they giving punishment also. So these like of works doing by NHRC. In our India also, we can see one of the important human rights commission, that is NHRC. We are established in 1993. The members and president electing by president. So what was the work doing by NHRC? That one, protecting human rights in our nation or in our country. If anybody they are violating the human rights, they giving punishment also. So these like we all are equal. So we want to live that like only. We all are equal. In that like concept only we want to live. So in that purpose only, UNO they established it by different institutions to maintain a human rights. So students, now we understood human rights when we are established it, and what was the objectives, why we want to should follow this one human rights, or why we want to say we all are equal, because of we are human beings, and how the government or the non-government institutions they protecting our human rights. So these are the matters we are discussed in this video. So next class we can discuss about next another important topic. Okay.